Solana sounds like the name of an overpriced yoga house, doesn't it? But the Solana we would be talking about today is a cryptocurrency that has been quite fascinating in recent weeks, and everybody is asking, will it reach $50 or even $100 this year? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. What makes Solana so appealing? In the crypto industry, Solana is the fastest Layer 1 blockchain network. The distributed ledger network was developed by ex-Qualcomm employees and can scale up to 65,000 TPS without jeopardizing network security or decentralization. Solana achieves such unparalleled speed for a Layer 1 blockchain architecture by including timestamps and blockchain transactions, a novel feature used by Intel and Google to optimize their data centers. A centralized clock would not be compatible with the blockchain, so Solana's team developed a decentralized clock. DeFi projects like SushiSwap can now launch on the blockchain thanks to the Solana blockchain network's compatibility with smart contracts. For transaction confirmation, Solana's consensus framework combines evidence of stake and proof of history, as validators take turns producing blocks and performing other tasks like securing the network. Solana's decentralized clock is used to put timestamps on transactions. Solana is an open-source project with 14 active contributors and 74 repositories on GitHub. The main repository for Solana is github.com/Solana Labs. Solana and is actively maintained. There are 263 updates, 108 authors, 13,379 commits, 70 for open pull requests, 13,099 closed pull requests, and 70 for merged pull requests in the Solana main repository. With 26 releases, 28 contributors, 93 developers in the Solana ecosystem, 30 pull requests, 1,253 closed pull requests, 60 for open issues, 107 closed issues, and 43 merge pull requests. The Solana program library is the second largest and most active repository on Solana. The Ledger Non-OS hardware wallet now includes support for Solana's native token. On September 18, 2020, it had 11 contributors and had 120 commitments. The Ledger queue is monitoring it. The Solana JavaScript API, built and maintained by 24 contributors, is currently being used by 581 developers, with 1 open pull request and 927 closed pull requests. Let's look at the roadmap for Solana. In 2021 first quarter, John Ripisi's API mainnet beta has been modified. In 2021 second quarter, features of smart contracts have been made available. Transaction fees and token inflation have been enabled for Binance's public launch. The following businesses are actively collaborating with Solana on business growth and commercial collaborations. Solana partnerships with Civic, Hummingbot, Chainlink, Akash, LoanSnap, Fortmatic, Fuse, and Pocket Network. Other recent Solana collaborations that have made headlines include USDT Tether token Solana is my home. SushiSwap plans to use a Solana port to implement smart contracts. Solana launches Raydium, the first distributed market maker AMM on the Solana blockchain. Serum, a decentralized derivatives platform, is launched on the Solana blockchain with a capacity of up to 710,000 TPS and an existing capacity of 50,000 TPS. Looking at the analysis of similar projects by Solana, let's begin with Ethereum versus Solana. Solana is one of the recent blockchain solutions dubbed Ethereum hunters because of their similarities to Ethereum, even though Solana's technology has a faster transaction speed than Ethereum. Ethereum's first-mover advantage and upcoming scaling solutions such as Layer 2 and sharding could help the second-largest cryptocurrency keep its lead. So, what fees do you pay on Solana? For a $1 million transaction on Solana, transaction fees are estimated to be $10 compared to $300,000 on the Ethereum network. How secure is Solana, you ask? The 8 inventions that make up Solana's blockchain are, in comparison to Ethereum's current energy-draining practices: proof of history, Tower Byzantine fault tolerance, Turbine, Gulfstream, Sea-level, pipelining, Cloudbreak, and Archiver's consensus algorithm based on proof of work. Now, 2021 price forecast for Solana. When looking at the SOL USDT on a weekly time frame, We can see that the uptrend began after the crypto pair first left the oversold area on December 28, 2020, and then joined the oversold zone on January 4, 2021. The inside bar candlestick pattern indicates a concentration of purchasing activity, indicating that demand for the SOL token is increasing. The activity of Bitcoin investors against a particular asset is a good indicator of how viable technology or token is in the crypto ecosystem. So, to understand Bitcoin's flowing into or out of SOL, we look at the SOL-BTC map. The bullish trend that began on January 25, 21, and reached a peak of 0.00036 has been corrected on the SOL-BTC weekly map. Since the SOL-BTC exited the overbought area last week, we expect the uptrend to continue soon. At the end of 2021, how much will Solana cost? The SOL price is expected to reach around $50 in 2021 based on technical chart setups on the SOL-USDT and SOL-BTC charts, as well as the GitHub page's activity. So my prediction for the rest of the months of 2021 are as follows: $51.59 in May of 2021, $95.77 in June of 2021, July 2021, $108.12, August 2021, $116.16, September 2021, $132.84, October 2021, $178.56, November 2021, $192.46, and lastly, December 2021, $293.48. In conclusion, is the SOL token a viable long-term investment? The weekly time frame analysis of SOL shows a recent increase in buy pressure, indicating that it is a good long-term investment. Demand, supply situation, and market capitalization forecasts. In 2021, we anticipate a 4x rise in the SOL token's market cap. If the current week closes bearishly, we expect a break above the all-time high in the coming weeks. That would be all for today's video. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.